Can you hear me, Malika? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 14th problem, see here. The questions are given to you. Find the equation of the tangent and normal. Equations of the tangents and normal to the given curves at the indicated particular point is. Exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. 14th problem, see here. The equation is given to you. The first problem is here. It is given to you that y is equals to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at the point 0 comma 5. At this particular point, you need to find out the equation of the normal and equation of the tangent. Equation you need to find. Before finding the equation, you need to find out the slope. Slope find out करने के लिए you need to find out dy by dx. So dy by dx first find out करना. So dy by dx is equals to 4x cube minus 6 into 3x square plus 13 into 2x minus 10. So which is equals to 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. This is dy by dx. So dy by dx at the particular point 0 comma 5. So when 0 comma 5 you need to find out, means x coordinate is what here? Huh? X coordinate is 0. Then x coordinate 0 substitute करना है. Y coordinate is 5 is not y value, you need to find out here. dy by dx value you have to find out. So slope of the tangent this is equals to dy by dx at x is equals to 0 because point is 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 is the point. So at that particular point you need to find. So dy by dx is 4x cube. 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10 at x is equals to 0. That means x value 0 substitute karna. So what you are going to get automatically? All these become 0. Minus 10. So minus 10 is the slope of the tangent. Okay. Slope of the normal. Slope of the normal is equals to minus 1 by slope of tangent. Right? Because tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. When the tangent and normal are two perpendicular lines, whenever you are taking, the product of the slopes of the two perpendicular lines is minus 1. Product of the slopes of two perpendicular lines is minus 1. So we are going to get here minus 1 by minus 10. So we are going to get here 1 by 10. So equation of the tangent. Like this, equation of tangent. So how do you get equation of the tangent? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So this is x1, y1. At that particular point, you need to find out now. Okay. And slope is what here? Minus 2. So slope of the tangent means equation of the tangent means slope of the tangent should be taken into account. So y minus y1. y1 is what here? 5 is equals to minus 10 into x minus 0. So my y minus 5 is equals to minus 10x. So 10x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. The equation of the normal, whenever you want to find out, same formula, y minus y1 is equals to, but slope we are going to get 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into x minus 0. Okay. So what do you get here? 10 into y minus 5 is equals to x. 10y minus 50 is equals to x. X minus 10y plus 50 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the normal. This is the equation of the tangent. So like this, the remaining 3 questions are very simple, same model. You can do it. Okay. समझ में आया ना? यश विप्रजीत?
हाँ सर.
So simple questions here. Coming to the 15th question. 15th question में find the equation of the tangent line to the curve which is parallel to the line is given. Parallel to the line. So here, whenever you are taking the 15th question, one equation means curve equation is given to you, and parallel to the one line is given. So what is that parallel to the line? Second case is perpendicular to the line. Parallel to the line is nothing but same slope. दोनों का slope same. Then what about the intersection points? अब आपको कर्व फाइंड आउट करना है तो देन कंपलसरी यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द ओके नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन टू यू दैट क्वेश्चन हियर but 15 and 16 both are same only. Better we learn 16 at the particular point and parallel. Okay, 15th I will explain to you. So what is the question given to you here? The curve is given to you x square minus 2x plus 7. Y is equals to x square minus 2x plus 7. Which is parallel to the first condition is parallel to the 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0. Equation of the tangent to the line which is parallel to this line. So what you have to do here? Normally, slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx. But slope of the tangent for the particular point is slope of the tangent. Means here actually point is not given. Curve is like this. Okay. Our here line is like this. Dono de. And we need point is not given. We need to find out the equation of the tangent. Tangent means ये इसका मतलब. Here the point is not given. हो जाएगा? How? How do? ये line is given ना? इसका slope find out करो. इसका slope कितना है? Slope of the ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Minus a by d. हाँ, ये दोनों पैरेलल है तो इसका स्लोप dy by dx से आ जाएगा. From that x value आ जाएगा. X value and that x value substitute here. अब तब y value आ जाए. कर्व में substitute करो. समझ में आ रहा है ना? See here the slope of this line. इसका slope क्या है? इसका slope. This is the line here. 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0. So okay. Therefore slope of 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0 is minus a by b. Minus 2 by minus 1. You can write here in the brackets that slope of the line formula from where you have taken this one. This is the slope of line formula. Slope of line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is minus a by b. Or you can write this in the form of the y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं. तो y equal to mx plus c फॉर्म में लिखना है तो y is equals to 2x plus 9 हो जाएगा. 2 का प्लेस में m है वो स्लोप हो जाएगा. So इसका स्लोप is 2. Now here according to the question, this one, okay. So slope of the tangent to the curve. Slope of the tangent to the curve is dy by dx. So dy by dx is nothing but we are going to get 2x minus 2. We are going to get 2x minus 2. Okay. So 2x minus 2 is the dy by dx. Given that tangent is parallel to the line. Tangent is parallel to line. Therefore, slope of tangent is also equal. लाइन का स्लोप कितना है 2 है तो tangent का स्लोप भी 2 हो तो 2 है ये tangent का स्लोप है according to our assumption. 2x minus 2 is equals to 2 है, 2x equal to 4 है, x equal to 2. At the point of x equal to 2, we are going to get the slope equals to 2. At the point of it, x value 2 है, y कैसे आएगा? This x value substitute here in the curve, because point हमको कर्व में है और उसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. लाइन क्या है? लाइन का इक्वेशन नहीं है ना हमारे पास. ये है एक्चुअली इफ यू आर हैविंग लाइक दिस, इफ यू आर assumption like this, like ये पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करना है. ये पॉइंट x वैल्यू हमको आया है 2, y वैल्यू आने तो इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते, बट ये लाइन का इक्वेशन नहीं है हमारे पास. ये टेंजेंट है, इसका इक्वेशन दे दिया, स्लोप दे दिया. ये लाइन इक्वेशन ओनली हम वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट. Our intention is to find out the equation of the line, but this point is common to the both the curve and as well as line. Curve ko and line ko common, so that's why x equal to 2 substitute x equal to 2 in given curve. तो अब y आ जाएगा, y is equals to 2 square 4 minus 4 plus 7, so y equal to 7. So therefore, equation of the tangent is equal to equation of the line passing through the point 2, 7 with a slope 2. Equation of the tangent is equals to equation of tangent is equals to equation of line passing through 2, 7 with slope 2. So that is nothing but y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x2. Y minus y1 is 7, m is 2, x minus x1 is 2. So y minus 7 is equals to 2x minus 4. So we are going to get 2x minus y plus 7 minus 4 is equals to 0. 2x minus y plus 3 is equals to 2. This is the equation of the tangent. Suppose यही question में only tangent is asking, normal is not asking. If normal is asking, what to do? Equation of a normal, either equation of tangent is asking, equation of a normal is asking to. Simple here, in the place of the m, minus 1 by 2 layer. Point is same. Slope of the normal is nothing but like this. इसका स्लोप 2 है तो इसका स्लोप -1 by 2 है ना. -1 by slope of tangent is slope of the normal. -1 by slope of the tangent is equals to slope of the normal. Normal का स्लोप क्या है? -1 by slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is 2, then -1 by 2. Okay, -1 by 2 लेके सब्स्टिट्यूट करके सिंप्लीफाई करो, इक्वेशन ऑफ ए नॉर्मल. अब सेकंड पार्ट इन दिस क्वेश्चन, इसी में सेकंड पार्ट में it is perpendicular to the line is given. Actually this line is normal के बारे में नहीं है क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी, but this line is perpendicular to another line. Okay, ये लाइन आ जाएगा ना. ये लाइन आने के बाद इक्वेशन ऑफ द टेंजेंट फाइंड आउट करते हैं ना, 2x minus 2. तो ओके, लाइन इज व्हाट इज गिवन इन सेकंड पार्ट में. लाइन क्या दे दिया ना, 5x minus 5y minus 15x is equals to 30. This is the line given. इसको परपेंडिकुलर, ये लाइन 5x minus 5y minus 15x is equals to 30. What is the slope of this line? -15 by minus of -15, minus a na by b. So we are going to get it 3 आएगा. minus a by b. a 15y है, y a is equals to -15 है, b is equals to 5 है, क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू यू बाई पहले दे दिया है, थोड़ा वो ध्यान रख. सो माइनस ऑफ -15/5, सो +3 हो जाएगी. +3 इज द स्लोप ऑफ दिस वन, इसका स्लोप 3 है. देन इसका स्लोप कितना होगा? माइनस. सो इधर क्या होगा? गिवन टेंजेंट इज पैरेलल बोला है ना, तो परपेंडिकुलर लिखना. देन द स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट इज इक्वल्स टू -1/3. तो 2x - 2 इक्वल टू -1/3. और इसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. हाँ, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. ओके, नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू द 16th क्वेश्चन. 16th क्वेश्चन देख. What is the question given? Show that the tangent to the given curve is at the particular point x, where x equal to 2 and x equal to -2 are parallel. Parallel here. So how do you prove that here? Show that the tangent to the given curve at the points x equal to 2 and x equal to -2 are parallel. X equal to 2 का tangent slope of the tangent formula क्या है? Very simple question होगी. dy by dx at x equal to 2 फाइंड आउट करो, एक नंबर आ जाएगा. dy by dx at x equal to -2 फाइंड आउट करो. Slopes are equal. So then tangents are normal. So find the show that the tangent to the given curve at the particular points. So 2 पे -2 पे दोनों का slopes equal है. हाँ, प्रूव कर. दोनों को slopes equal प्रूव करने तो they are parallel ना. इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट करने का जरूरत नहीं है. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. गिवन एक्चुअली वो बिना देख के भी बोल सकते हैं. गिवन क्वेश्चन इज हैविंग द क्यूब. 16th क्वेश्चन में क्या दे दिया? क्यूब दे दिया. 7x³ y is equals to 7x³ plus 11 दे दिया. whatever it may be, dy by dx स्क्वायर में आएगा. स्क्वायर में आएगा ना. 7 into 3x², that is nothing but 21x². x का प्लेस में 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, -2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, सेम आंसर आ जाएगा. एट x इक्वल टू 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो x इक्वल टू 2 का स्लोप आएगा. x इक्वल टू -2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, -2 का स्लोप आएगा, सेम आ जाएगा. देन द स्लोप्स आर इक्वल, देन द टेंजेंट्स आर नॉर्मल. टेंजेंट्स आर पैरेलल. सिंपल क्वेश्चन. 17th question, find the point on the curve y equal to x³ at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the particular point. ये प्रॉब्लम भी इजी है, कुछ नहीं है. y इक्वल टू x³ है, y इक्वल टू x³ ले लो, ये गिवन कर्व है. व्हाट गिवन? दिस इज स्लोप ऑफ द tangent is equal to the y coordinate of that particular point. इसका स्लोप क्या होगा? dy by dx होगा, is equal to 3x². This is equal to the y coordinate. If x equal to x coordinate, any point you take, x value y coordinate क्या होगा? x गामा x³ होगा ना. एनी पॉइंट एट दिस कर्व, इसी पॉइंट में जनरल पॉइंट क्या होगा? x गामा x³ होगा. हाँ, सो x गामा x³ हो रहा है, तो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू द दिस वन. Yes, that is only given na. Slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of that particular point. So that particular point ka means, suppose here it is given to you a curve है y equal to x³ का curve. So y equal to x³ usually will be, आप ऐसा भी ड्रा कर सकते हैं. 1 ले लिया पॉइंट, 0 0 होगा, 1 का 1 होगा, 2 का 8 होगा, 3 का 27 होगा, और -1 का भी 1 होगा. सर -1 का -1, सॉरी -1, -2 का 8 होगा. सो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द कर्व लाइक दिस. You show y equal to x³. Now here the question is, for this equation of the tangent, किधर भी ले लो, इधर एक कोई इक्वेशन tangent है, इधर भी ले लो. सपोज ये पॉइंट इज 2, 8. The slope is equal to this one बोल रहा है. Slope of the tangent is equal to 8. That is a condition given to you. Condition is given at one particular point. Show that the, find the point. किस पॉइंट पे होगा? किस पॉइंट पे वो कंडीशन satisfy होगा. So what is you need to find out here? That is nothing but here, as per the our rule, 3x square is the slope. This is will be equal to x cube. तो x कॉमन ले लो, सॉरी x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर लिखो, x स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लो, x माइनस 3 होगा, x इक्वल टू 0 होगा, x इक्वल टू 3 होगा. That is nothing but x equal to 0 implies y equal to 0. So at the place of 0 comma 0, the slope of the tangent is equals to the y coordinate. Means slope is 0. Slope is 0. Okay. If x equal to 3, then y equal to 27. At the point of 0 comma 27. At the point of 0 comma 27, the slope of the tangent is 27. Because इधर आप ये पॉइंट पे, सॉरी 0 नहीं 3 का इधर 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट आपको क्या आएगा, 27 आएगा. 27 इज स्लोप, पॉइंट भी y कोऑर्डिनेट भी स्लोप सेम, दोनों इक्वल हो गया. सो ये दोनों कंडीशंस में पॉसिबल होता है. दैट्स ऑल, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड ईशा, मल्लिका?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, same way 18th question you can do it. It's not more difficult to you. For the curve, find all the points which are tangent passes through the origin. Tangents are passes through the origin. Tangent is passing through the origin is nothing but tangent is passing through the origin. Find for the curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x power 5. Find all the points at which the tangent is passing through the origin. Origin की through passes हो रहे तो ना. It is asking to you that it is passing through the origin. Tangent is passing through the origin. Like this. मैं आपको पिक्चराइजेशन देना है. Like this. Like this tangent ये ड्रा करो. ये पॉइंट फाइंड आउट कर. तो दैट मीन्स व्हाट, ये कर्व दे दिया, कर्व दे दिया, ये फाइंड आउट, स्लोप फाइंड आउट करना है तो पॉइंट इज नॉट गिवन टू. हाउ डू यू सॉल्व इट? ओके, मैं एक्सप्लेन करना आपको, थोड़ा सा ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है. आई विल एक्सप्लेन. So equation, what is the equation given to you? Let us see. Equation is given that x cube 4x cube minus 3, y is equals to 4x cube minus 2x power 5. 4x cube minus 2x power 5. This is passing through the origin. So when it is passing through the origin, you have to find out the point. What is you need to find out? Points at which the curve is, means the tangent is passing through them. Means tangent origin ki through any diagram, rough diagram में बोल. Suppose if you are having like this curve, इसका tangent एक point पे है. Suppose ये point पे भी एक tangent होगा, but this tangent is not passing through the origin. ये point से भी एक tangent होगा, ये भी passing through the origin. इस point पे ले लिया तो हो सकता है like this. This point you need to find out. Like this diagrammatically, whenever you are analyzing, you are going to get the solution in easiest way. And kabhi bhi aap ऐसे diagram, curve may not be like this. Curve, because x power 5 is there, curve may not be like this, but एक idea के लिए मैं दे रहा हूँ. So here we need to find out the equation here. Equation of the tangent find out करना है by taking any point. ये point generalized point consider करना है. One point you have to take into consider. Okay, so dy by dx find out करो. Is it visible to you? No response from Mallika.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here what we need to take here, dy by dx find out the 4 into 3x square minus 2 into 5x power 4. 12x square minus 10x power 4. What is this? If x value substitute कर लिया तो if you substitute x value here, we don't know the x value substitute कर ले तो the slope of the tangent हो जाएगी. This is the slope of the tangent, but we don't know the point. Let us consider the point as a h comma k or any other point. You can a comma b ले, ये point को आप a comma b consider करो, or h comma k or capital X comma capital, whatever it may be, you want you consider. Okay, better confusion avoid करने के लिए we'll take the point as a comma b, general point. Okay, so otherwise x comma y also you can take it. When you are taking x comma y, slope should be taken this one. Slope is this one. Okay, and that line equation of the line we are going to get, it is passing through the origin. When it is passing through the origin, it satisfies the equation 0 comma 0. From that you are going to find out the point find out first. So what we are going, let the point of contact as a comma b. A comma b consider. Means tangent means a point to throw that. So what is the equation of the tangent? Equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So this is the slope m. This is x1 y. Equation of the tangent is ym. So y minus y1 is b. This is equals to m is one thing you do remember here. Yes, you can 12x square minus 10x power 4 into x minus 8. No. No, it is passing through the origin. The point is different point, na? Point of contact is different. It is passing through. Abhi idhar mein, if you are substituting x equal to, this is an equation of the line. It's the equation of a line. In this equation of the line, if you are substituting x equal to 0, y equal to 0, it should satisfy. समझ में आ रहा है ना? X equal to 0, y equal to 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. Suppose which type of the lines will pass through the origin? Suppose if I am taking that x plus y is equals to 10 layer. Is this passes through the origin? No. Because 0, 0 substitute कर लिया तो नहीं यार. X का place में, y का place में, if you are substituting 0, 0, it should satisfy. So that is nothing but if you take y equal to 10x. Yes. How do you say that? 0, 0 substitute कर ले तो satisfy. Either also if you substitute the 0, 0, then we are going to get it, the points. So what numbers you need to take into consider here? For what values of the x and y? 0, 0, whenever x value, y value 0, 0, 0. Either 0, either 0. But be careful that the points here, to avoid the confusion, let us do one thing here. ये point actually क्या है ना, this is the x value. Okay, we will take here as it is given to you here. This x equal to ये है ना, x equal to ये है ना, तो इधर ये substitute करना है हम. Slope कभी आएगा ना, समझ में आ रहा है ना? ये slope नहीं है, ये general form. We are taking the point as then slope is equals to 12a square minus 10a power 4. Because x ले ले तो उधर भी 0 ले लेगा. So now here slope becomes, ये point 2, 3 हो गया तो 2 substitute करना पड़ता है ना इसमें, तभी slope आ जाएगा ना. Slope is directly not this one. Slope is not directly this one. At the particular level is the that is the slope. So वो point substitute कर लिया 12a square minus 10a power 4. Now, which is passing through origin? Which is passing through origin? Origin 0, 0. That implies x equal to 0 है, y equal to 0. Satisfy हो. तो 0 substitute कर ले तो minus b is equals to. इसमें से 12a square है. Okay, let us write as it is 12a square minus 10a power 4 into 0 minus a. Now what you have to do here? You have to find out the which equation here. Equation we are going to get here. In terms of the equation, we are going to get b is equals to some equation we are going to get. Means in terms of a and b. वो equation satisfy करने वाला points क्या होता है? वो that all the points will be the a comma b. Means a comma b इसको satisfy क्या क्या points satisfy करते हैं? That all the points will be the these one. So now what to do here in this situation to do? इसको simplify a and b values which what values will satisfy the a and b values that all will be the minus yes simplify karo here either minus and minus will get cancelled. B is equals to yes something we have to Mallika.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some okay. A into 12a square minus 10a power 4. So here what to do here actually? Directly a value, b values. See here, a comma b is a point on this curve. Is it? A comma b is the point on this curve. That is nothing but if you substitute here b and a, will it satisfy curve में? Curve में satisfy करेगा ना? So as a comma b is on curve, b is equals to 4a cube minus 2a power 5. So this b place में मैं ये substitute करता हूँ. Can I substitute? b का place में ये substitute. 4a cube minus 2a power 5 is equals to a into from this what is possible to us to take the common that you take the common. Otherwise multiply करो पूरा simplify कर दे 1 minute. ये multiply करो inside. ये multiply कर लिया. Yes, okay. First let me write like this. Is it visible to you here if I write?
Yes, sir.
Visible है ना? Okay. So now 4a cube minus 2a power 5 is equals to 12a cube minus 10a power 5. 12a cube है ना, ये दोनों टर्म इधर लेके जाओ. 12a cube minus 10a power 5 minus 4a cube plus 2a power 5 is equals to 3. 8a cube minus 8a power 5 is equals to 8a cube, take the common. So what you will get? A minus 1 is equals to 0. A equal to 0, A equal to 1. Oh, sorry, sir. Oh, 8a cube, 1 minus 1, sorry, sir. 1 minus a square. So a cube is equals to 0 and a square is equals to 1. So a equal to 0, a equal to plus or minus 1. So a equal to 0 implies b equal to what? इसमें substitute करें. A equal to 0 means point you are going to get. B equal to 0. A equal to 1 implies b equal to 4 minus 2, which is equals to 2. A equal to -1 means -1 है ना, and B equal to what do you get here, -4 plus 2, which is equals to -2. So what are the points we are going to get here? One point is 0, 0, other point is 1, 2, other point is -1, -1. These 3 points हो, एक पॉइंट नहीं है उधर, हमको ग्राफ में एक ही दिखाई दे, मीन्स रफ डायग्राम है ना. सो 3 पॉइंट्स पे टेंजेंट्स ड्रा करो, वो टेंजेंट्स ऑरिजिन की तरफ जाए. Problem is little bit confusing. That's why I told you this much analysis you can do. Here you can take the point A comma B ले लिया है. You can take the any other point. A comma B place में any point. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes.